Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today, happy 4th of July, because it's the 4th of July. You already know it. This video is going to be posted on the 4th of July. You hear that? Because there's something outside. There's smoke over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's over there. Right? In the sky, you see? That's the thing. So, if you want to celebrate 4th of July, it's pretty much Independence Day. And, I have school tomorrow, actually. I got summer school on with them. And I just wanted to make this quick video showing you the fireworks outside because it's happened since this afternoon, so it was a lot. But this is a short video. That's it. Bye.